Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we will integrate the AWS Firewall with the CloudFront. If you haven't watched my previous video related to CloudFront, I highly recommend you watch them. In this video, I have shown how you can integrate the custom domain to the CloudFront and how you can do the basic configuration of the CloudFront, which is more secure and while using the private S3 bucket. So it's a secured environment, and in this video we will add another layer of security and like filter out any malicious or unwanted traffic to our cloud first. Okay, so I'm going to proceed with this. Okay, my this domain has recently been expired, so I will be using this URL for the testing part. Okay, because the public IP will remain the same, so there's no issue using this URL as well. Okay, I will jump straight into the AWS security setting. You need to go to security, and it's very simple when it comes to configuring firewall for the cloud front. I will go edit. I will click on enable protection. Okay, so you have two options. Either you can from the initial mode you can start blocking everything, or you can use the monitoring mode. Monitoring mode will not block anything, but it will only monitor that this was the traffic that you got. Okay, based on the pricing, it's minimum around $8 to $9. So as you can see, it's minimum $8 per month estimated cost. And if you get heavy traffic, in that case it only slightly increases. Okay, so as you can see, it's 10 million requests per month and it's only $14 for it. It's a really a good price and very cheap price for a firewall. Okay. So for now I will use the monitoring mode, and one thing to note down is charges are based on hourly, so it's not like you will be instantly charged $8 at the time. Okay, I will click on save changes. All right guys, so we have configured the basic firewall. It will protect from our like normal attacks and everything. Okay, if you want to restrict, do the geo restriction. For example, I want to specify that only a certain country should be able to access. For example, if I say here Afghanistan. Okay, so then in that case I won't be able to access it because I'm accessing it from the India region. Okay, so this is how you can implement the restriction. And if you have enabled the monitoring mode, okay, and you want to switch to blocking mode, you can always click here and click on enable blocking. Okay, so now it switch to the core protection. As you can see, I haven't got any request yet, so there's no data to it. Okay, and another feature that you can add here is block the bots. Okay, so for this you need to click on manage block and enable this thing has separate charges because it's a separate policy and it blocks the bot from attacking your specific website. So it will depend upon how frequently your website get attacks from the bot, how frequent bots are hitting your urls. So based on that the price is configured. Okay, so I can click on save engine and it will start taking the like any threats related to bots as well. Okay, as you can see, it's still in monitoring mode. Okay, and furthermore, if I scroll down, you can enable the WAF log. If you want to get compliance to some global standards for cloud, you need to enable this as well. Okay, so as you can see, there are additional charges for it. Okay, I'm not enabling it because this is already enough for me. Okay, so let me hit this website multiple times and then I will show you how the interface looks like. Okay, so I will pause the video for now. Alright guys, so I tried to hit this website multiple times, this specific URL which was related to CloudFront, and that's how your dashboard looks like. Okay, so you can see it allowed all the requests. If there are any block requests, it will show it here. Okay, and you can see the timing. It's 29th, 28th of May. Okay, and in the bot attacks, it can verify that these because I have requested from the browser, it's showing it as non-bot. So that's how simple it is to configure everything. Okay, and as you can see, you can always change these settings to block or monitoring mode as well. Okay, so these are few of the things that you can enable on your website, and make sure you have a static website on your CloudFront, you improve the security. Okay, in the future video, I have another thing which is related to CloudFront, and that's related to policy, and you will be really excited to know that these policy can protect you from so many cyber attacks. Okay, and this will be something that can be get pointed out for in your pen testing as well. Okay. I hope this video helped you guys know a little more about the CloudFront firewall. It's different from the what we use in the application load balancer or any endpoints. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for your time, guys.